Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find dz over the x and dz over the y. So for this one, that is about dz over the u. Later that we need to do the u over the s, dz over the t, the v. Later that we need to do the v over the s. Because we just have only two variables, that's why we have to this one. So about this one, we need to do first the derivative of z with respect to u. So this one you got about negative number 2 u to the power of negative number 3. The next one, that is about number 1. So we have negative number 4. This one, that is about this one. So this one you got about 2sy. This one, that is about v. So we just have only this one. And we have u to the power of negative number 2. And we put 6v to the power of number 5. This one, that is about this one, they are not v. So you got number 0. This one, that is this one. So we just have only negative number 3. After we calculate, we can change u and v into this one. So this is the answer for question number 1. Now I go to question number 2. We do the same. But this one we change for y. Now, so this one, that is about y, so we got s squared. This one, that is about y, so we have number 1. So we can write like this. Now, we need to change u and v. This is the end. Thank you for watching.